Did you know that over 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute? That's an overwhelming amount of content to keep up with. Content creators are constantly battling against time and the need to stay relevant. But what if there was a way to automate the content creation process, saving time and boosting your productivity? Today we're diving into how Pictory AI is revolutionizing the way creators produce content. Whether you're a YouTuber, marketer, or business owner, creating content consistently can feel like an uphill battle. The pressure to produce fresh, engaging videos can lead to burnout. But thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence, the landscape of content creation is changing. One such tool making waves is Pictory AI. If you've been looking for a way to streamline your video production, you're in the right place. Pictory AI is an AI-powered content creation tool that allows you to automatically generate short-form videos from long-form content. This includes turning blogs, articles, podcasts, or webinars into engaging video snippets, ready to share across multiple platforms. Whether you're looking to repurpose existing content or create brand new videos, Pictory has got you covered. Let's break it down. Using Pictory AI is incredibly simple. Here's how it works. 1. Upload your long-form content. Start by uploading a blog post, article, or even a podcast transcription. 2. AI processes your content. The AI scans and processes your text, identifying key points, phrases, and ideas. 3. Generate video. Once processed, you can automatically generate a video from the most relevant segments of your content. Pictory offers automatic voiceovers and visuals, making the process seamless. 4. Edit and customize. You can fine-tune the video, choosing from a variety of templates, themes, and voiceover options to match your brand's style. You might be wondering, why should I automate my content creation? Well, let's face it, creating content manually is time-consuming and exhausting. According to a report, the average video takes 3 to 5 hours to edit and publish. That's a lot of time spent on tasks that could easily be automated. Now let's explore why automating with tools like Pictory AI makes sense for any creator or business. Efficiency. You can save hours of editing time and produce more content. Consistency. AI helps you maintain a steady output of content, ensuring that you stay relevant in the competitive content space. Cost-effective. No need to hire an expensive video production team. Pictory offers a low-cost alternative that delivers professional quality results. Scalability. With AI-generated content, you can easily scale your production process without additional effort. Pictory AI is not just for YouTubers. It's a versatile tool that works across multiple content creation fields. Let's take a look at how different creators can benefit from it. YouTubers. Turn your long YouTube videos into shorter, shareable clips for Instagram, TikTok, or other platforms. You can easily repurpose your content to increase engagement. Bloggers and writers. Convert written blog posts into dynamic videos to engage your audience in a new way. Adding visuals and voiceovers to your posts can attract a wider range of viewers. Marketers. With Pictory, you can create promotional videos for your products, services, or brand campaigns. Quickly generate engaging content for social media ads or email newsletters. Imagine this. You've just published a blog post on your website, and within minutes, you've transformed it into a short, engaging video for your audience. Instead of spending hours on editing and video creation, you've automated the process in a matter of minutes. This means more time for creativity, growth, and engagement. Let's take a look at how much time you can save. Manual video editing, 3 to 5 hours per video. Using Pictory AI, less than 30 minutes for editing and customization. That's a huge difference in time and energy saved. Some people may have doubts about the quality of AI-generated content. Will it look professional? Will it align with your brand? Let's put that to the test. As you can see, Pictory AI's videos are high quality and polished. The AI ensures smooth transitions, engaging visuals, and clear voiceovers, all while maintaining consistency with your original message. Whether you're making educational videos, product demos, or entertaining content, Pictory ensures that your videos look and feel professional. Let's quickly run through some of the standout features of Pictory AI. Automatic summarization. The AI can condense long-form content into digestible video scripts. Voiceovers. Choose from multiple voiceover options to suit your video style and tone. Text-to-speech. Pictory uses AI-powered speech to turn written content into spoken words. Customizable templates. Select from a range of templates to fit your video style, whether it's sleek and professional or fun and dynamic. Multi-language support. Reach a global audience with support for multiple languages and accents. Don't just take our word for it. Pictory AI has already helped countless creators streamline their content creation. Case Study 1. A YouTuber who turned their 10-minute podcast episodes into engaging 60-second clips, increasing their YouTube views by 40%. Case Study 2. A digital marketing agency that used Pictory to create multiple video ads for clients in a fraction of the time, improving campaign results by 30%. If you're ready to take your content creation to the next level, it's time to start using Pictory AI. Sign up today and experience how automation can help you save time, improve efficiency, and unlock your full creative potential. Content creation doesn't have to be overwhelming. With tools like Pictory AI, you can automate the process and focus on what truly matters, connecting with your audience. Thanks for watching and happy creating.